And still on politics, senior members of the People's National Party were guarded in their responses about the aspirant seeking to replace the PNP president, Dr. Peter Phillips. Dr. Phillips announced his retirement from the post after the party's loss in the September 3 general election. Anthony Lugg has that story.
A bittersweet swearing-in ceremony for the opposition People's National Party, PNP. A bruising general election defeat on September 3 and uncertainty abounds about the way forward for the party. But still, members of the PNP remain hopeful that the party will rise united.
Yes, we can do it. I think we have the heart and soul to do it. So there are 15 of us in the House. We have a secretariat. We have to come now and decide the way forward.
An uphill challenge surrounding the leadership of the party is looming. Some of the names being called to replace Dr. Phillips include Julian Robinson.
I'm willing to look at all options, but I think at this point in time, providing some stability at the center is the most important thing.
Mikhail Phillips.
My commitment to the People's National Party is to help in the rebuilding, and the rebuilding to make the PNP something that they would want to vote for.
Mark Golding.
It's a quick comment. First of all,
you're tired now. I don't really want to talk. That from a Facebook.
So too Lisa Hanna, who was absent from today's ceremony due to the magisterial recount in the Southeast St. Anne constituency. Most of whom we spoke with stayed clear of declaring who they would support when the prospective leaders declare themselves.
I'm not clear yet, as there's no process to establish who those persons are, but I'm sure I'll make the right decision when that time comes.
You are? No, I think I need to process that a little bit more. I'm just not a spur of the moment kind of person. I need to ideate and I need to discuss and I need to then, do some side-by-side analysis and to see who is a person that I would need to take forward.
I have not made up my mind, and even if I did, I would not tell you.
We also sought a response from Dr. Peter Phillips about how far in the process is the party in identifying a new leader.
I think the party met yesterday. I wasn't there because they need to do it. As I have said, they need to settle a timetable, a quick timetable. I think they have had those discussions yesterday and are moving with it.
For PNP Vice President Mikhail Phillips, uniting is a key role in the rebuilding of the party.
The coming together has to be real. It cannot be one that is just a band-aid. And I think we can do it. All of us wants to see the People's National Party be what it used to be, but brought into today's world and the expectations of the Jamaican people.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.